Hello again, it's your guy Ponderado, helping you develop your games step by step. In last video, we add some health bar to our targets that you can add in any project, any game, doesn't matter if it's an FPS or RPG, anything. Super simple, super quick, and today we are going to do another super cool thing that is adding damage floating, damage pop-ups, as we call it, to our targets, okay? And it will give some life to our game. Again, the strategy is the same. We are going to import a super cool package ready to use, super fast. But before anything, we need to have two things installed in our project, and they are super simple things. Okay, the first one is the TagSmash Pro. So if you go to the hierarchy and right click and UI TagSmash Pro, if it's the first time that you are adding it, a pop-up will appear asking you to import the TMP Essentials, and you import the TMP Essentials, okay? As soon as you import the TMP Essentials, you are good to go. First step done. Now the second requirement is to use the .win. So usually when we are programming, you have twinning libraries that help us to animate using code. And one very popular and very powerful that professionals use is the .win, and you can find the .win here in the asset store. And I open the asset store, and if you search for .win this way right here, DOTWEEN, you can find the free version. Click and you can import it. But you simply import it to the game, and you click install, download, and open in Unity. And as soon as you click in open in Unity, you can go to the package manager, and in my assets you can go to .win, and it will appear the library right here, and you can click in download and import. Okay, I'm going to import it. It will take some time, and I'll be right back. But don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Perfect. Now that we have imported the package, don't close this window. You click in open.win utility panel and click the green button here, setup.win, okay? And we wait. If you accidentally close it, you can open here tools, demigant, and .win utility panel, okay? And it will take some time, no problem. Waiting for Unity to finish. It won't be long, maybe a few seconds, but we simply wait for it, and then we click apply, okay? So let me wait, okay, click apply, and we are now good to go. For real, we are good to go. Now, what I want to do is to add my package, our super powerful, simple package. Here, the package is this one, so FGT prototypes damage pop-up. You go right here, I'll share with you the link, okay, no problem, don't worry. Or you can simply search for this text and you'll find it, okay? But simply go to this code button, and in the tab HTTPS, copy this code right here. I copied. Now I open my package manager, and in plus button, git URL, install package from git URL, paste this one and install. Now we wait, and there's one minor thing that we want to do after that, because we need to grab some samples and see how it works. Actually, this is something that I did wrong, because I have to fix the samples. This is supposed to be in the package itself, but basically the idea here is after we installed it, we go to the samples and we have to fix this as well. We're clicking the import button, and we are going to get some new folder in our project, this samples fgt 1.0.0, and we have this scenes, okay? Let's open this and see what we have here, okay? I'm going to save it. I'm going to game, and this is a super simple scene showing how it works. If I click play in the game, what we are going to have is some text. Damage pop-ups, beautiful. Now we want to add the same thing to our game. How can we do it? First, I'm going to open this lizard example and open this script, example attack lizard, And the code is stupid simple. It's a single line of code that you're going to add to your game, and it will work, okay? So we have the damage popup.create, so a static method that is waiting for the text that we want to pass. It's waiting for the offset, so basically we have the where am I going to instantiate this text, and the offset from this position we want to add, okay? And we have the color, and finally the text size, okay? Super simple. Let's do this in our project. So going back here in the scene, scenes, okay, content overview. This is the scene that we have been working with. Now I am going to grab this target here. Let me grab this target here and put it. Let me change the rotation 0 degrees, and you go right here. Okay. Now, what I want to do is to find the script that is responsible to receive the damage. So when am I going to instantiate the pop-up? When we receive damage. And from the last video, we learned that the script responsible for doing it is this target script. So I'm going to open this target script, okay? And now with this target script open, what I want to do is the exact same moment that I am changing the health is the exact same moment that I am going to create a pop-up. So the single line that I need to add here is damage popup.create. And now first parameter, what is the text that I want to show is 10, because this is the damage that we set here. Position, let me put the same thing that we have here, the 2.5 units times vector 3 dot up above the parent, and the parent is going to be itself the target script. So the game object that we are touched is the origin of this pop-up. So transform, and we need a color, and I'm going to choose the color dot white. Okay, and that's it. We are good to go. Now we simply press play and we check out if it's going to work. Let's see. Wow, it's working. That's it. Super simple. And this is how we can add simple damage pop-ups to our game, okay? And I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please engage, comment, everything to help us to keep improving. All right, thank you guys. Bye bye.